Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Stories Podcast. We're so happy you're here today.
In our last episode, we talked about relaxing after work. Today, we're going to spend some time in the kitchen.
Cooking dinner is something many people do every day. It's also a great way to learn useful English.
You'll learn common kitchen vocabulary, simple cooking expressions, and everyday conversations.
As always, we'll speak slowly and clearly. So, let's get started. David, what are you making for dinner tonight?
I'm thinking about making chicken and vegetables.
That sounds delicious. Do you cook every day?
Not every day, usually 4 or 5 times a week. What about you?
I enjoy cooking. It's relaxing, and I like trying new recipes.
What's your favorite meal to cook?
I love making pasta with tomato sauce. It's easy, and it doesn't take much time.
That's one of my favorites too. Do you usually cook by yourself?
Sometimes, but on weekends, I cook with my family.
Cooking together is always more fun.
I agree. We talk, laugh, and enjoy preparing dinner together.
What ingredients do you need for your pasta?
I need pasta, tomatoes, onions, garlic, olive oil, cheese, and a few herbs.
That sounds simple and healthy. What about your chicken?
I need chicken, carrots, broccoli, onions, salt, pepper, and a little olive oil.
Do you buy fresh vegetables?
Yes, fresh vegetables taste better.
I agree. Fresh ingredients make every meal more delicious.
Let's review today's vocabulary. Recipe. A set of instructions for cooking a meal. Example. I'm trying a new recipe tonight. Ingredient. One of the foods used to make a meal. Example. We need fresh ingredients for dinner. Pasta. A popular food made from wheat. Example. My favorite dinner is pasta. Tomato sauce. A sauce made from tomatoes. Example. I like pasta with tomato sauce. Olive oil. Oil made from olives. Example. I cook with olive oil. Fresh vegetables. Vegetables that are not frozen or canned. Example. Fresh vegetables are healthy. Herbs. Plants used to add flavor to food. Example. These herbs smell wonderful. Delicious. Very tasty. Example. Your dinner looks delicious. David, everything is ready. What's the first step?
First, I wash the vegetables. It's important to clean them before cooking.
I do the same. Then I peel the carrots and cut the broccoli into small pieces.
Next, I cut the chicken into small pieces. That helps it cook faster.
Do you use a sharp knife?
Yes, I do. A sharp knife makes cutting easier and safer.
After that, what do you do?
I heat a little olive oil in a frying pan. Then I add the chicken.
How long do you cook it?
About 8 to 10 minutes. I cook it until it's golden brown.
That sounds perfect. What comes next?
Then I add the onions and garlic. The kitchen smells wonderful.
I love the smell of garlic. It always makes me hungry.
After a few minutes, I add the carrots and broccoli. I cook everything together.
Do you add any seasoning?
Of course, I add a little salt, black pepper, and some herbs.
Simple ingredients can make a delicious meal.
Exactly. You don't need many ingredients to make good food.
When everything is cooked, what do you do?
I put the food on a plate and serve dinner.
Then it's time to eat.
Yes, that's the best part.
Let's learn some useful cooking expressions. Wash the vegetables. To clean vegetables with water. Example: always wash the vegetables before cooking. Peel. To remove the skin from fruit or vegetables. Example: I peel the carrots before cutting them. Cut into small pieces. To divide food into smaller pieces. Example: cut the chicken into small pieces. Heat the oil. To make the oil hot before cooking. Example: heat the oil before adding the vegetables. Frying pan. A pan used for frying food. Example: I cook eggs in a frying pan. Golden brown. Cooked until the food becomes a light brown color. Example: cook the chicken until it is golden brown. Seasoning. Salt, pepper, herbs, or spices used to add flavor. Example: add seasoning before serving the food. Serve dinner. To put the food on the table so people can eat. Example: we usually serve dinner at 7 o'clock. Now it's time to practice speaking. Listen carefully, then repeat after me. Take your time. Sentence 1. I enjoy cooking dinner for my family. Sentence 2. First, I wash the vegetables. Sentence 3. Then, I cut the chicken into small pieces. Sentence 4. I heat the oil before I start cooking. Sentence 5. I add salt and black pepper. Sentence 6. The food smells delicious. Sentence 7. We always eat dinner together. Sentence 8. I clean the kitchen after dinner.
Excellent! Now answer these questions in English. What's your favorite meal to cook? Do you usually cook by yourself or with your family? What ingredients do you use most often? Great job!
Now let's listen to a short story. Try to understand the main idea. Don't worry if you don't understand every word. Just relax and enjoy listening. Emily loves cooking dinner after work. Every evening, she stops at the supermarket before going home. She buys fresh vegetables, chicken, rice, and fruit. When she gets home, she washes her hands and changes into comfortable clothes. Then she goes to the kitchen. She washes the vegetables and cuts the chicken into small pieces. Next, she heats a little olive oil in a frying pan. She cooks the chicken until it is golden brown. Then she adds onions, carrots, and broccoli. The kitchen smells wonderful. While the food is cooking, Emily listens to her favorite music. Cooking makes her feel calm and happy. Soon, her husband arrives home. He helps set the table and prepares the drinks. A few minutes later, dinner is ready. They enjoy a healthy meal together. They talk about their day and laugh together. After dinner, Emily washes the dishes. Her husband dries them and puts everything away. When the kitchen is clean, they sit on the sofa and watch a movie. Emily smiles and says, "Cooking takes time, but eating together is my favorite part of the day."
That's a lovely story.
Yes, cooking isn't only about food, it's also about spending time with the people we love. Thank you for joining us today on English Stories Podcast. We hope you enjoyed today's episode and learned useful English for cooking and talking about food.
Now, we'd love to hear from you. What's your favorite dinner? Can you cook it by yourself? Tell us in the comments using simple English.
If you enjoyed this episode, please follow our page, like this video, and share it with your friends.
Keep listening, keep speaking, and keep practicing every day.
We'll see you in the next episode of English Stories Podcast. Goodbye, everyone.
Happy learning!